Cotton is critical to Lubbock. It's one of the three pillars of our economy. It's really where we came from. It's our heritage. We're right in the middle of the largest cotton patch in the United States. So when you think about cotton, you think about Lubbock.
Texas Tech University is approaching our 100th year, and obviously research is a very important part of that. We wanted to be leaders in the world in areas related to sustainable uses of the land and of water, which is obviously an important component here, and of fiber and fuel.
The U.S. textile manufacturing industry is impressed that Walmart would provide funding for research on an issue that the industry realizes is critically important.
As that yarn comes from the cotton bale, we've actually avoided any preparation of that yarn. It goes into making raw cotton yarn. With this process, we can develop even purer shades of indigo. We can create actually a cleaner looking shade without cleaning the cotton. It's kind of amazing. The dye is designed to have an attraction for the fiber. Here, 100% of the dye goes on top of the cotton. We've eliminated all wastewater with this process. The environmental aspect is absolutely huge.
This technology offers the potential for a whole new level of sustainability and a whole new level of operational efficiency.
We're very proud of the Walmart Foundation grant and what it has allowed us to do at FBRI.
I think this is the ideal place for that kind of research to happen. I'm thankful for this grant and the opportunities it provides for us to continue that research. Cotton is one of those places that we lead the world. We're proud of that relationship between tech and our producers, between tech and industry, and certainly between Texas Tech and our community.